So this represents all of us. And I have put the field of the flag saying representation of all the diseases. Okay. So by the blessings of the Bodhisattva, then we call all the disease person, and then we let them transform into it. Then now, what we are doing is to dispel the obstacles following them, so that they can enjoy what we are offering them, what we are doing them. Otherwise, if you don't dispel the obstacles, then you have again problems. So that's the thing.